Jody Jones, you teach us well. Trello boards where dreams do dwell. Organizing tasks with flair. Knowledge that you're glad to share.
Well, hi there and welcome. It's Jody. Thanks for joining me inside of Trello 101. I'm so excited to get you started to crush Trello. Are you ready? Let's do this. I was all over the place. You see, I am a business owner and I have built multiple million-dollar businesses. And there's one secret to my success that I am so passionate about sharing with you, and I'm going to show you how. I learned how to get a business organized, and I learned how to put a system in place for that business. I learned how to get everybody communicating on the same page. And I learned how to create a strategy or a game plan for the entire operating system of the business so that everything runs seamlessly. You want to know how I did it? This one simple thing. It's called Trello.
Color-coded cards in line, deadlines met and feeling fine. With your guidance we succeed, every step we really need. Jody Jones with your Trello magic, training us so we don't panic. Listen boards, we're on a roll. Thanks to you we've got control. You make boring tasks feel fun.
All right, team, let's use Trello to get this taco truck on the road. I'm going to set up a Trello board to plan the project. We got our chef, food buyer, marketing, and design all on the board. We can always invite more as we go. Let's all make some lists so we can see the status of everything that needs to get done. That should cover it for now. We can all add cards for our individual tasks. Nice. This card is for our most delicious task. Can't wait to see the menu. And can you two make a list of produce we'll need? We should aim for all taco ingredients by Tuesday, for obvious reasons. I'll add a due date and a reminder real quick. Let's move these from to-do to doing so everyone can see where we're at. Looks like we have signage ready for the truck. Let's check it out. Theo, I love these colors. Checking these off. Ooh, let's move this task to done. In fact, we can automate that. Now any cards with completed checklists will automatically move to done. There we go. I got a good feeling about this. I'll add another list to plan where we can go next. This will help us build our business goals as we roll. We're getting there. Let's check in on our Brooklyn launch. Team, I'm at the truck now and it looks great. And not only are we all done, we're ahead of schedule and crushing our goals. First round of horchatas on me. From food trucks to the Fortune 500, Trello takes your business wherever it needs to go.
I have so much to share, so much to say. You keep chaos far away. Trello wizard, mentor bright, helping us both day and night. Jody Jones with your Trello magic, training us so we